No, no. Good afternoon, friends. We are here today at Vision Hospital, Mapsa, with some very important support group called Rotary Club of Mapsa. And they have been supporting us last 3 years, close to 3 years, by taking care of our cataract eye operation for the homeless street people who are in our homes, both ladies and gents. And this being the third year that they have been supporting us, we have got about 20 or 21 people operated for their cataract eye free of cost. Now that takes a lot of cost away from our monthly bills or our expenditure which happens towards these types of surgery. And today there were two people here. One is Mr. Rajaram. This is his second eye which has been operated for cataract. We had found him about 8 months. Yeah, he's from Kolwale. He was on the street for a particular reason and he could not see in both his eyes. So 3 months back they fixed one eye and now they have fixed his second eye. And this gentleman also is from Mapsa. His name is Surya. He doesn't have the eye which you can see is dead. It doesn't have, I'm not sure what's the technical term. And his second eye was giving him trouble, so that's why we had to operate his eye for the cataract. So basically, we appreciate the effort, the support, the coordination. Who is this? Rajan, the guy who we call. This guy. So this is the man who takes care of the coordination. We appreciate him trying to solve our problem whenever we call him at short notice. And this is the gentleman who we eat his brains up. His name is Ajay Menon. So if you don't get anything from Rajesh, we go to Ajay Menon. Okay. It's not that the other members are not there, but it's the coordination happens between Rajesh and Ajay. And if there are more Rotary clubs out there, we also have people in our homes who have hearing problem, who have a dental problem, who have a skin problem. So just like this Rotary clubs takes care of our cataract surgery, operation, whatever we say, and it helps the homeless street people in our home. Same way, if there will be other Rotary clubs or other organizations, because most of the people don't have documents, they don't have any support system. It's either the street or our home. And I will like Ajay to speak a few words of basically like how does he get this thing done for us.
Thank you so much, Donald. It's a pleasure for Rotary to be associated with Street Providence on helping people. Rotary does it through, of course, contributions externally, as well as many members come forward and contribute to help these poor people. I'm going to take the liberty of introducing you to Sangram Patel, who is our district governor. He's a big boss for all the Rotary clubs in South Maharashtra, North Karnataka and Goa. So I would request him to say a few words, please.
Thank you, Ajay. This cataract giving vision to people is our basic signature project of Rotary District 3170. Even last year we have done around 900 cataract operations all over the district in 1920, and this year also many of the clubs, and one amongst such club is Rotary Club Mapsa, who is taking up this project. And till date they have done around 16 cataract operations free of cost, providing free of cost services to the needy people, and that's a great job that Rotary Club Mapsa has been doing. Besides this, there are other clubs also into similar activities, and this year also we have set a target of nearly 500 plus cataract free operations to be done all over the district. So I think it's a great job that Rotary is being associated, giving vision to people and to the extremely needy people. That's our motto, and that is what we have been doing. Thank you.
Okay, now I'll go to Rajesh. So Rajesh, tell us when we call you exactly what goes on in your mind.
I've been handling this project for the last 5 years. Actually, for this year, so Deepak Naik is a coordinator. But as my number has been spread across, people come to me or call me, and I'm actually it is a good service what we are doing through Rotary, and I'm very thankful to Rotary for giving me this opportunity for this many years to serve the people. And I'm always there for your call, or maybe Sapnesh, whenever he calls, I'm ready to do the needful what I can do.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll take Ashley now. Ashley has been dealing with us on and off. So Ashley, tell us how do you look at Street Providence where this particular service is concerned?
See, as Rotarians, I think we are just facilitators. We just try to help people to try to help people like you who are actually going to the streets and actually helping people. We are just helping you all. So we are playing a very small role, but I'm using this video hopefully that Donald is doing to appeal to others to come forward to help us to help you all as well.
Thank you so much. And I'll go to President Abhijit. He used to be my classmate. He used to be.
Thank you, Donald. We are very privileged today that our district governor, assistant governor is here on this occasion. As we mentioned, every year we do this cataract operations from Rotary Club of Mapsa through sponsorship, what fundraiser projects we do. We utilize all those funds in these operations. There are other projects also where we do the projects, but this is our very signature project, touching to our heart. And Rajesh Hedekar is the current club secretary who is doing this job service from last many years, and he will continue doing in the next years also. And our club will always support this project.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So basically, like I said, we thank. You stand with me. You stand. You take out. We thank the Rotary Club of Mapsa. They have also served food with us. They have also given us donation, and they have taken care of this one not sickness, but one sort of disability where people can't see. And we always have got an appointment in time. We have always had good service from Vision Hospital. We also thank Vision Hospital for accommodating our homeless people through Rotary Club of Mapsa. And it has been a great opportunity getting this free facility. Others, practically every day, frankly speaking, every day there will be one vehicle either in IPHB, either at GMC, or either in some private hospital for some checkup, some test, something. So we have many issues to sort out where medical conditions are concerned. We thank Sapnesh, who coordinates on my behalf and Street Providence behalf with all people, all concerned people in the medical line. So we will look forward to more Rotary clubs or Lion Club or JC clubs which have this facility, but not for cataract, because we are already getting the facility for cataract with Rotary Club Mapsa. If there's any other facility where homeless street people, and none of them have Aadhaar cards, so that's another problem. Thank you so much, and God bless you all.